Hi, I'm Anne, Senior Research Manager at Radio Flyer. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Coast Folding Stroller Trike with travel bag. This Grow With Me trike is perfect for any scenario where you might use a compact stroller. It has all of the comfort of a stroller, it folds up just as compact, but it's way more fun for your little rider, so you're sure to get years of use out of it. There are tons of great comfort and storage features to call out on this trike, starting with the padded seat, which also reclines back. There's a nice cup holder here on the front, footrest for your littlest riders, and a nice big storage basket here in the back with an extra zippered pocket for smaller items. Like all Radio Flyer products, this trike is designed with safety at the forefront. In the back, we have a one-step parking brake, which you can lock easily with your foot. And then coming around here, we have this wraparound safety bar, with a nice vegan leather touch point, 5-point harnesses with extra shoulder pads, and a UV protective canopy. This trike has 4 stages, so it can grow from parent-powered strolls to their independent pedaling. It's perfect for kids ages 6 months up to 3 years. Let's walk through the stages. In stage 1, everything is still on the trike. You have this parent push handle back here, which telescopes up and down for different heights, and also controls the front wheel, so you can steer where you're going. There's a great spot for your little one to put their feet right here with this fold-away footrest. And then you can even disconnect the child handlebar from the front wheel, so they can think that they're steering while you're still really in control. In stage 2, you remove the wraparound safety hoop. Stage 3 is perfect for when your little one is actually starting to learn to pedal. So I've removed the canopy, which is optional. You could keep it on here if you wanted, folded up the footrest, and added the pedals to the front wheel. One of the coolest things about this trike is that if mid-ride, your little one decides that they're over pedaling and they just want to ride home, you can push this button right here, which disconnects the front wheel spinning from the pedals, so they can rest their feet on the pedals while you push them home. Stage 4 is when they are fully ready to ride on their own. So to get to stage 4, you're just going to remove the parent push handle, telescope it down, pull out this pin, and take it off. This is the most compact folding stroller trike out there. Let me show you how it folds. So to start, we're going to take off the parent push handle, telescope it down, pull out this pin in the back, and pop it off. Next, we're going to fold back the canopy, and then fold up the wraparound bar. We're going to pop off the cup holder, use these 2 buttons in the front to squeeze, fold down the handlebar. There's a button in the back of the seat that when you lift that up, that allows the seat to fold forward. And then we're going to push and squeeze back here underneath the seat, and everything folds nice and tight together. You can also use the button on the back of the front wheel to take it off for an even more compact fold. This version comes with a travel bag. So everything fits in this bag. It has a nice handle at the top that's easy to carry. It also has this strap in the back so you could put it over the handle of a roller suitcase. And the whole thing fits in all overhead compartments.